name's Claire. If this is your first time to my channel, today's video is going to be a makeup tutorial. It's going to be really just like an eye look tutorial, and I'm going to be using the Jaclyn Hill Ring the Alarm palette. Now this palette is absolutely gorgeous. It is a warm tone, pinky tone palette. This is like the real hype right now. It's just a beautiful palette. It has so many pretty shades, and this is the look that I ended up creating. It's so easy to get this look, and so keep watching if you want to see how I get this look. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get started. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Hit it right now. Here we go. Alright friends, as usual, the first thing I'm going to do is going to be to prime my eyes, and today I'm going to use the ColourPop No Filter Concealer. And so all I'm going to do is just put some of that on my eyelids, you know, blend it out just to act as a good base. And you do really see a difference when you use any kind of primer versus like not. I think we can all agree that this is just a beautiful palette. This is like your typical summery vibey palette, and so we're just gonna go ahead and begin. Let's see, what do we want to do first? I think I'm going to go into the shade Rush right up here. You know, I think that's going to be just our first shade that we're going to use, and I'm just going to blend that out. These brushes, I just cleaned them, so they're still a little wet, but I'm going to just fluff, and this brush is a little old too. I'm just going to fluff this out all in the crease. And you know, normally I do my makeup first, like my face makeup first, but with these palettes I kind of don't want to do that because I don't know where I'm going to go. So I'm kind of like extending it and kind of going a little bit beyond the crease, a little bit closer to the brow bone, and also a little bit farther in the inner corner than I normally would. Very sunset vibey. Now we're going to deepen that just a tad, and I'm going to go into the shade Alert over here, this bright orange shade. This is like where I go to school, Auburn. This is like Auburn orange pretty much. And I know this looks blue. This brush is just stained blue from the last color I used on it. But I swear it's not blue, as you can tell. So I'm just taking this and putting that also in the crease a little bit lower than what I just did, just to kind of, you know, make it really blended, really smooth. Now, like I usually do, just to keep my two outer shades blended, I just go with a brush that I haven't used yet, and I just blend those together. So you see it just kind of like softens everything. So make sure that brush doesn't have anything on it. Now I'm going to take my flat brush, my Morphe M167 brush, and I'm going to spritz that. I feel like this look today may end up being pretty simple, but still like so pretty. I'm going to go into the shade Bomb A over here, Bomb Butt. I just think this is the most beautiful shade I've ever seen. I was swatching it earlier. I would do swatches on here. I said this in my last video. I would do swatches like of these palettes, but I feel like if you want swatches of these palettes, you can go to pretty much any beauty channel on YouTube right now, and you can find those. And I don't know, I'm not really a believer in swatches just because like you're not putting eyeshadow on your arm. But that's just me. What do I know? So I'm just putting this all over the lid as you've kind of like followed me. I'm just kind of working my way in, you know, as you can see, just putting it all over the lid, not really focusing like on down here because I'm going to kind of ombre it out with some more shades. But is that not just like such a pretty color? Like I would love to paint like my house or like my bedroom walls this color, or one room in my house. I don't know about my bedroom. I kind of like my bedroom to be white, like peaceful, but I would put this color in my house. Now I'm going to go back into that brush that has nothing on it, and I'm going to blend that red shade. It's like a red pink coral shade, but we're not going for like a cut crease today, so I want it blended just really softly. Now I'm going to take this brush. I just cleaned it off, even though it does look a little blue. I'm going to spritz that. This is by Sonia Kashuk. I don't know what was up with that pronunciation. Let's see, what do I want to do? I think I want to go into the shade Lolly. This reminds me a lot of one of the colors from her original palette, just that beautiful pink color that's in like the top right of her original palette. And so we're going to blend this going like on top of that red shade. It's gonna kind of tone it down. We're not going completely over that red shade, as you can see, but we're just kind of working our way around. You know, we're kind of like circling this. This wasn't my original plan, but you know, it's looking really pretty, like a fiery sunset vibe. So I'm just rounding that out just as I did that red shade. I'm just, every time, if you notice, I'm just working each color a little bit more in. Now I'm taking another little flat brush and I'm gonna spritz him real quick. And then we're gonna go into this gorgeous shade on camera, this beautiful gold. This reminds me of like when I was in high school. I don't know if you could see that. I think I was holding that too high. It reminds me of like when I was in high school and I went to like cheer camp and we would perform our home palm routine, which a lot of you may not even know what that is, but this is like the shade of gold I would wear because we were like red and gold, our colors, or like cardinal and gold were our colors. But yeah, anyway, I'm just taking this gold shade and dabbing it in the center right there. So, oh, that's really pretty. This is going like really fast. Normally it takes me like 3 days to film a tutorial. Y'all know, y'all probably don't watch even half of it most of the time, but whatever. Yeah, this just provides that little pop of gold right in that center. Man, that's beautiful. I'm gonna go over all this, or like a little bit more out. We're not really gonna touch the gold, very lightly, just to make sure it's all kind of blended with that same brush we've been using. I have like a little bump in there. I don't know what that is. And so what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna go and put on my actual face of makeup, my foundation, concealer, brows, bronzer, blush, you know, highlight, the usual. And then I'm gonna come back and we're gonna work on the lower lash line and the lashes and all that jazz. Just a quick message. I just wanted to say also, if you do your foundation after you do your eye makeup, it makes it so much easier to like sharpen it. See, like with the concealer, I can kind of like sharpen this edge over here and kind of get rid of like the excess, you know. See, it kind of just makes it a little bit neater. Like over here, you see, instead of like just kind of fanning out everywhere. And then you can also take a little like more precise brush and like tighten it up over here if you wanted to. You know, I shouldn't have done that, but like, you know what I'm saying? So it just makes it a little bit easier. So I just kind of wanted to throw that in there. And I know I said I'm going to do this off camera, so I'm going to go finish this. I also wanted to let you guys know about the blush I'm using. I've used this a lot on here before. It's Sunset by Sonia Kashuk. I just wanted to kind of point out that we're going really warm and bright. And this is like our last, you know, summer hurrah look. Because I feel like, you know, these tones kind of die down during the fall and winter. Like these warm, fun colors. That red Balm A shade is just looking beautiful. But yeah, so I just wanted to point that out on here also. Okay, for the most part, I believe my face is done. My brows, you can tell I didn't really care too much. I used powder on them. But we're going to finish out that lower lash line. I'm going to go back into the shade Balm A, that really bright red. It's like a, I don't even know, it's like a watermelon red. You know, like a lot of people call watermelon like pink, but it's not. Watermelon is red. And that's just beautiful. Okay, come on. I think I'm also going to take a little bit of that gold shade on camera and put it on the inner corner over here. Just on the bottom half. I feel like that'll just make it a little edgy. You feel? It's so pretty. I did a good job. And also, I don't want to ruin the whole like rounded to the center look we have going on. So all I'm going to do is line my water lines. I'm not going to line the top lash line really. I think I may do a little line because I am going to go in with some lashes. And, you know, if you just add a little line, it doesn't really cover up anything. So we're going to do a thin line of this Lorac black liner. And then I'm going to put on some lashes. And I'll be right back. Okay, y'all, I have to admit this may be one of my favorite looks I've ever done on this channel. One, it's just really pretty, and two, it was so easy. Like y'all saw that, it was like, what, a 6-step process or something with the eyes? I'm gonna go in the shade, Venezia by Stila, and this is a Stay All Day liquid lipstick. I got this from TJ Maxx. I'm gonna go, ooh, it smells like vanilla. I've actually never worn this, and I've had it for a while. Actually, I take that back. I've worn this once. I don't know why I always talk. Every single time I try to put on lipstick on this channel, I talk. I think I'm also gonna go over that with the Juicy Peachy shade from KKW. Not that it like matches or anything, or like I'm trying to really go for a peachy vibe. It's just easy to put like peachy toned lip gloss over like a peachy, pinky, ready toned lip if you want like a glossy look. So all I'm gonna do now is spritz my face. And I'm also going to go change my outfit and get ready because I actually am getting ready to go eat lunch with my grandparents, and I'll be right back. Okay, honestly, you guys, I think that was it for today's video. I'm in a super weird casual outfit. Like I have on like basically a long sleeve shirt, Nike shorts, and then like Tory Burch sandals, so it's weird. I'm about to go eat some lunch, and I hope you liked this video. I hope you enjoyed this look. I hope you appreciated that it was hopefully shorter than my other videos, and then also it was so easy and so fun, and this palette is just beautiful. There's so many other looks that I am going to be doing with this palette on this channel because it deserves the recognition. So I hope you liked it. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. Leave me a comment, let me know what you think, and don't forget to subscribe. As always, I post new videos 3 times a week, and we'd love to have you here with the fam. I'm gonna quit mumbling and I'm gonna let you go carry on with your day. So have a good day, and I'll see you later. Bye.